If you ever met this creature face to face, the mouth is the only thing you'd see. Down in the deep ocean, eyes don't matter. Speed doesn't matter. Only one thing does: eating before you starve. And that's why nearly everything down there looks like a mouth with fins. At depths below 1,000 meters, food can take weeks to fall from the surface. A single meal might be all a creature gets in its entire lifetime. Some deep-sea fish can open their jaws wider than their own body. If one of them surfaced next to you, your head would fit inside its mouth. And that still isn't the most disturbing part. The deep ocean is a place where missing a meal means extinction. No plants, no sunlight, almost no life. So evolution made a decision. Don't be fast. Don't be armored. Be ready to eat anything. And when nature commits to that strategy, the first thing that changes is the mouth. Down there, mouths aren't for chewing. They're biological traps. Some species evolved hinged jaws that unhinge like a snake's, but even wider. Others have needle-like teeth angled inward, so once something goes in, it never comes out. And here's where it gets disturbing. Many deep-sea predators don't know when their next meal will come, so when something finally appears, they swallow first and figure out digestion later. Scientists have found prey inside stomachs larger than the predator itself. If creatures like this existed near the surface, ecosystems would collapse overnight. Anything smaller than them would simply disappear, and in some cases, that already happened. Most deep-sea creatures don't chase prey. They float, they wait, and when something brushes past, the mouth activates instantly. Some can strike in less than 1/10 of a second. Others use bioluminescent bait, not to scare prey, but to pull it directly into their jaws. Once triggered, escape isn't unlikely. It's mathematically impossible. And here's the worst part. These creatures don't stop growing their mouths, even when the rest of the body stays small. For a long time, scientists assumed these giant mouths were inefficient. They weren't. Recent studies show that larger mouths dramatically increase survival odds in low-food environments. The mouth became more important than the brain. In some species, the mouth actually develops before other organs. Evolution didn't ask why. It asked, can it eat? Here's the rule. The deeper the ocean, the fewer opportunities to eat. So mouths grow larger. Stomachs become expandable. Bodies shrink. At extreme depths, creatures stop specializing. They become pure consumption systems. No beauty, no balance, just hunger. Optimized, and the deeper you go, the closer life gets to that final form. These creatures aren't mistakes. They are what life becomes when scarcity rules everything. And as humans explore deeper waters, we're stepping into environments where hunger built the law. The scariest part isn't that deep-sea creatures have giant mouths. It's that when survival is all that matters, everything becomes a mouth.